Enjoy your meal, Mr. Ken.
I'm enjoying my love.
Munat.
That.
Try. Ubenkara waja. Why is it I get comfortable for now? It's too high.
Fine. Let's go down.
Like I get comfortable. I feel the seat is too high.
Let's go to the table. Hurry. Wait. Let me check. I'm coming. Hurry.
So it doesn't matter for you.
Let's go sit here. Madam K, you are not recording.
Is it? You're the one who did the video, not me. Maybe it got tired. It must be on drafts.
It was not recording. You know, I was still standing here, but it was not recording.
Right?
Now it's growing. It's recording.
You know what I just did was to eat seriously. I ate serious eating now.
You ate serious? This, the way you ate? This is serious? Such a small meal.
It's really serious.
Kitija double leba. I want to get a spoon. Ne? And afterwards, look for rope. Now, afterwards, for rope. We are mixer.
I want to go get some desserts for myself.
Come on, go get some dessert.
I'm still cleaning my teeth.
I found to go. You what?
And get some ginger. And get some ginger.
Didn't you eat?
I did. I got some desserts.
What was some?
Desserts.
Dessert.
Desserts.
You want dessert?
Desserts. Desserts. What I get? Desserts. What's a man? What's under men? Nankushish. Jerry. Nibulabula nandota mena. Ambulabula na wena. Correct what a dessert.
Yeah, dessert. Someone said dessert, mother. My wife wants. My wife needs a dessert.
Nibulabula ni ma.
Ndota mena. My wife is talking to her daughter. Her daughter. She wants what? A dessert. And she's talking to who? To her daughter. Her daughter.
Ndota mena.
Her daughter.
Muratwa wa mena.
And guys, look.
Singanda matisamena.
Look, guys.
Singanda matisamnes.
My wife is beautiful.
Lesh. Singanda
I've got a beautiful wife. I've got a beautiful wife. Daughter.
Nampanagar.
Are you not proud, ma? Having a beautiful wife like this.
Nampanagar. Nampanagar. Nampanagar.
My beautiful wife.
I got Nina, little Nampanagar. Sabalama. Nampanagar.
Bao bona, my love.
Nampanagar.
Bao bona.
Lena phela ka ikitse man. Yes sir.
Why kids miscat? Go get the dessert, madam.
Well, I'm so busy. Saying my kid.
My wife.
Because my man works.
I've got a beautiful wife, guys. You know, it's a blessing to have such a beautiful wife. You know?
You found a good thing, Mr.
You know, God says, when you marry a wife, you found a good thing. But I don't like the fact what they are calling it a thing. How can a woman be a thing?
A good thing.
A human being be a thing? No. They can't say that. They must say you found your wife. Not a good thing. Ntwe monate. Ntwe monate.
Get that.
Ntwe monate. Ntwe monate. Bare modimo botlale o dirile mosetsana amoka paka silefe abopaka sukiri aka la musulman arili sike la sami kaka sukiri ena obani ikosi modimu ubutali udirile musitsana amuka paka silepe amufaka sukiri aka limela mushimani arili sike la sami kaka sukiri ena obani ikotsi awena.
I'm done. I'm done.
You're done, Bala. My wife, she's done. It's a nice song. It's a nice song. You don't like it?
It's a silly one.
If you don't know the meaning of that song, go Google it. Google. You'll know the meaning of that song. Once you found it, you are going to celebrate and enjoy life to the fullest. Because that song is so special. It's a special song. It reminds a man and a woman. They're supposed to be together. Because when they're together, you shit out to a baby. Why are you surprised? Why are you surprised?
Nakimo.
Okay. Now to saw pela. Now to saw pela. Yeah. You are singing. You are singing the song. Hi. Since me I got a video Marwatba. I Bahafaba. To a video. Kill a half of a video. That day we made a day. Says Mary, if you see this video, it's a hurry. Mudimu Ubotali. Mudimu Lemusana. I sang, I'm a capagas. I'm a fagas. A calamela. Shima. Arbisi Karasamega Sukiri. Obani Sukiri Ew. Equals. Mudimu nights. So guys, we're on the sea, yeah? We're on the sea. In the sea. We're on the sea. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. Really appreciate it. You had a nice lunch with us. You had a nice lunch with us. So we say to you, we will see you guys next time with a nice video.